Location, location, location. Ito yung major factor, no, if we are looking of a residential community in the Philippines. Especially kung dito ka mag-retire and meron tayong mga kids na isasend natin sa school. One of the considerations yung mga school na makikita natin inside Nuvali and outside the estate. Let's explore the schools within the area. Welcome to University Belt of the South. What are the advantages of having a house near schools? Of course, no, ang priority natin is the time efficiency and the stress reduction. Isa sa mga apparent benefit of living near schools is the time saved during the daily commutes. Long journey to school can lead to stress for both parents and children. This can often impact their energy levels and academic performances. Of course, one of the factors din, no, yung value appreciation. Historically, yung places na may schools, these are the places na mabilis mag-appreciate ang value. Like what happened in University Belt in Metro Manila, kaya sobrang taas ng value ng properties doon because of the schools. Another factor din, no, is yung easy to sell or rent. Homes close to schools tend to have a constant demand when compared to other neighborhood. Of course, kung malapit yung bahay natin or yung condo natin sa school, mas mabilis siyang parentahan in the future. Of course, ang natural market natin sa mga properties natin, yung mga students na nag-aaral sa mga schools na ito. Now, let's start driving around the area para makita natin ang mga schools and of course, unahin natin si Nuvali. Now, let's start driving around the area para makita natin yung mga schools inside Nuvali. Again, no, lagi ko dinidiscuss sa mga presentations ko that Nuvali is the largest development of Ayala land in the Philippines, composed of 2,400 hectares. It is divided into 4 segments. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Yung pinakaunang school natin in Nuvali is located in Nuvali Central. Currently, we are now here at the heart of Nuvali. So, ang unang kasalubong sa atin is Central Block. No? On our right side is the ongoing construction of Central Block. So, this is another commercial inside Nuvali. Aside from the Soledad Mall sa labas, we also have the commercial inside na in the future, yung mga residents of Nuvali Central, dito na sila magmamall kasi may mga gagawing restaurants dito, mayroong Mary Mart na grocery store. And yung pinakaunang kanto natin dito is the street going to Xavier School. Ayan, so sige, mag-right turn lang tayo. The Central Block is just walking distance going to Xavier School. So in the future, no, pagkatapos tong convenience natin in the heart of Nuvali, lalakadin lang to ng mga students natin. Xavier School is a K-12 college preparatory school located in Nuvali Central. The school offers a co-educational K-12 curriculum which includes a core Chinese language program. It offers preschool up to senior high school. Kung gusto mong isend yung students mo to a big schools internationally like in the US or sa Big 4 in the Philippines which are UP, Ateneo, LaSalle, and UST, this is a great option for you. Ang kagandahan sa Xavier School, no, we have a newly launched condo na malapit lang, also walking distance going to school, which is Solara Park Stories Nuvali. This is the first ever pet-friendly condo of Avida Land in the Philippines. The project has a total land area of approximately 1.7 hectares. Almost 50% of the development is dedicated to open spaces and 50% yung developments for the residential. So imagine, no, sobrang laki ng space na to that you can actually put up to 6 to 7 buildings, but ang nilagay natin is 3 building lang. So ibig sabihin, it's a more exclusive na condo na sobrang ganda. Kung meron kang gantong investment in Nuvali, pwede mo siyang i-rent out or pwede mo siyang maging preparation in the future kung meron kang anak na mag-aaral near the Xavier School. We are now heading New Valley South. This is one of the highest peaks of New Valley. But before tayo pumunta sa T Road, on our left side, that is the ongoing construction of the commercial ni Rockwell na bali-balita daw magkakaroon doon ng power plant mall. So ito yung additional mall sa malapit sa New Valley, ano? And ayan, no, as you go inside New Valley, the elevation of the land gets higher and higher. The higher the altitude, mas malamig ang weather. So dito na po tayo sa pinaka T Road, no, in New Valley South. So this is the future 10 hectares na Alfresco Mall. So grabe, napakalapit ito dun sa school in New Valley South, which is Everest Academy, na later mapupuntahan natin. So if ever na matapos tong school na to, yung mga students in Everest Academy, lalakadin lang nila yung magiging future mall nila in the future. On our right side, no, this is the Everest Academy, one of the options ng mga schools inside New Valley. This is a pre-K to 12 Catholic International School located in New Valley South. At Everest Academy, students experience a positive and nurturing environment that cultivates outstanding academic performances as well as the qualities that result in well-rounded Christian leaders. Grabe, no? Isa to sa mga options ng mga school natin inside the Valley. And after Everest Academy, mapupuntahan naman natin yung isa pang school, which is the Miriam College. Dito naman po tayo ngayon sa Miriam College, no? On our left side is the Miriam College Laguna branch. So Miriam College brings to New Valley the same K-12 readiness enjoyed in its Quezon City campus. They offer a co-educational program from kindergarten up to grade 12. Both Everest and Miriam College, no, are located in New Valley South, and ang kagandahan dito, we have two projects na ino-offer which are Southdale and Aberdeen. So if you are looking for a pre-selling properties in New Valley, mapalupa man yan or house and lot, ito yung mga schools na magiging malapit sa atin, which are Miriam College and Everest Academy. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa labas ng New Valley, no? So kung kanina pumasok tayo sa loob, let's explore naman yung mga schools na makikita natin outside New Valley but very near from New Valley. So this is the man-made koi pond, no? Ito yung sikat na pasyalan inside New Valley. So dito mag-right turn tayo, ayan, to Santa Rosa. And then dito makikita natin yung high-end mall ni Villar. So this is the additional mall sa atin aside from the Ayala Mall Soledad. So ito yung way natin papuntang UST Laguna Campus. So ito very exciting, no? Kasi bali-balita, this school is bigger than that in UST Manila. So mamaya makikita natin kung gaano kaganda yung ginagawang school dito. Papunta naman tayo sa UST Laguna Campus, no? So this is less than 5 minutes from Soledad Mall. So this is the first ever UST outside Metro Manila. An upcoming university in Santa Rosa, Laguna, one of the 5 campuses in the University of Santo Tomas system. The new campus is envisioned to intensify the research activities of UST Manila by becoming a technological and innovative hub in Laguna. So the property is approximately 40 hectares in size. This is bigger than that in Manila. The first ever building in UST is named after Dr. Tony Tan Katyong Innovative Center. He is a founder of Jollibee and a graduate of UST, alumnus of UST in Metro Manila. So kaya siya pinangalan kay Dr. Tony, ano? And yung ino-offer na school naman dito is yung basic education to senior high school, and in the future magkakaroon din tayo ng college. Saan nga ba known si UST in Metro Manila? In Metro Manila, UST is known for medicine, nursing, pharmacy, occupational therapy, engineering, architecture, accountancy, education, and law. Nakakagandahan, no? Isa to sa mga magandang options natin pag nakatira tayo malapit sa New Valley. Fence pa lang, no? As you can see, almost the same siya sa Espanya. And yung pinaka-facade niya, alam mo talagang UST siya kasi color yellow yung pinaka-facade ng building ni UST. This is the endpoint of UST Laguna Campus. And yung pinaka-way na to, no? Yan yung gagawin na future access directly going to Eton exit. So magkakaroon tayo ng access going to SLEX in the future. Next on the list is the University of the East or UE. So this is approximately 14 minutes or 8.2 kilometers from Nuvali area. Going to Metro Manila before SLEX, yung may rotonda, doon makikita natin yung site ng University of the East. So dito rin natin makikita yung Eton Properties, yung Asia Brewery, which is owned by Lushutan. So these are just some of the companies of Lushutan, and also kasama din doon yung PAL or PNB, etc. Ayan, no? So, ito naman yung pinaka-site mismo ng University of the East Laguna Campus. UE Laguna is a 25-hectare expanse, and it's slated to initially offer kindergarten, grade 7, and grade 11 once fully operational. UE in Metro Manila, they are awarded as Centers for Excellence in Medicine and Information Technology. So we can expect na magkakaroon sila ng ganitong program in the future. Next in the line naman is the Caritas Don Bosco. This school is around 7 minutes from Nuvali via Nuvali Boulevard. So ang proximity niya to Nuvali is approximately 3.2 kilometers. This school is offering from preschool to senior high school. With this school, we have the freedom to choose not to send to school yung mga students natin in Metro Manila. Since sa Metro Manila kasi medyo congested na and medyo traffic, like here in Laguna, mas focus sila sa study nila na kumbaga yung proximity from their home going to school is very convenient na this time. Along the way, madaanan naman natin yung one of the mixed-use development of Ayala Land in the Philippines, which is Broadfield, Same din siya with Nuvali, but ito yung smaller version ng Nuvali Estate natin. So, sobrang lapit kay Broadfield, yung isa sa mga big schools here in Laguna, which is the LaSalle University Laguna Campus. The proximity of this school is approximately 10 minutes or 5.1 kilometers from Solonad area. So, napakalapit niya lang din kay Nuvali. So it is located in Binyan, Laguna. The size is approximately 50 hectares, even bigger in Manila. The school is envisioned to become a key resource for scientific and technological advancements in the country, underscoring the Lasallian tradition that integrates faith and services through knowledge generation. Sobrang established na yung reputation ni LaSalle, to be one of the big 4 universities in the Philippines. This Laguna campus has also the same level of quality ng education in Manila din. And nakagandahan kay LaSalle, kilala siya sa higher education, which are the College of Computer Studies, Engineering, College of Business, College of Science, Pre-Med, College of Liberal Arts, Education of Mathematics, and English. Ang kagandahan sa school na to, sobrang dami ng greeneries na talagang malalayo natin yung mga students natin sa distractions, malayo sa mga bars, malayo sa kung anong pwedeng gawin sa Metro Manila. Na kumbaga dito sa Laguna, sobrang focus lang sila na merong malapit na walking distance na Broadfield na of course pag dito sila nag-aaral, merong commercial na malapit for their convenience then in the future. Next naman is the Beacon Academy. The proximity is approximately 5.7 kilometers or around 13 minutes from Nuvali area. So it is located near inside the Ayala West Grove. This is a private international college preparatory school in Binyan, Laguna that offers the International Baccalaureate program. It is a sister school of the Beacon School in Taguig. Yung offering ng school na to is grade 7 to grade 12. Na if you want to send your students in the US, marami silang affiliation of universities dun sa place na yon. Next naman is the St. Scholastica's West Grove. The proximity is around 5.5 kilometers from Nuvali area, and the drive going there is around 11 minutes. It is situated in Silang, Cavite, sits on a hilly terrain overlooking the lowlands of outlying Santa Rosa, Laguna, and parts of Cavite. The size of this school is approximately 6 hectares, which is donated by the Ayala Land Inc. Yung mga offerings naman dito is preschool, grade school, high school, junior and senior high school. Actually, marami pa tayong options na mga schools, but ito, isa to sa mga schools in Laguna or near Nuvali, which are Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna. This school is known for engineering. We also have the Adventist University of the Philippines, Acacia Waldorf School, University of Perpetual Health, We have branches in Binyan and Calamba. And also, may bali-balita din daw na gagawing National University near the SMU Lo Premier na sobrang lapit lang din kay Nuvali. It's really my passion to create real estate content, especially properties in Nuvali, the developments within the estate, the business districts, yung gagawing mall, yung mga schools inside and outside the development of the estate. Ang kagandahan, sabi ko nga, you're not just buying the property itself, but what you're buying is the whole sustainable estate development of Ayala Land and the schools surrounding the estate. Grabe sa nakikita natin, napakadaming mga big schools ang lumalapit sa Nuvali Estate. Ibig sabihin yan, there is something important sa area. Bakit yung malaking schools na to is dikit-dikit lang, sobrang lapit lang sa mga properties natin in Nuvali. You can send a message to my Facebook, which is The Property Expert, Avidaland by Carlos Steve M. Singson. You can also message me through my Viber, WhatsApp, or iMessage, that is 0961 462 2138. If you are liking this content, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert here in Nuvali.